On the axes below, sketch the graph of y equals 3 sine 2x for values of x from 0 to 180 degrees. Find all the solutions of the equation 3 sine 2x equals 1 for values of x from 0 to 180 degrees. Give me your answer correct to 1 decimal place. So here's the question, I paraphrased it above. First we need to sketch this sine 2x between 0 and 180. Well, sine goes up to between 1 and minus 1, but this is 3 lots of, so it's going to go up to 3 and minus 3, isn't it? So I'm just going to put these horizontals in, because these will be the max and minimum values that this curve attains, and then minus 3 here. So I'm just going to draw them in here. So basically sine gets to 3 when this is 90. So here it will be when x is 45, won't it? So that's where it will be. And then when it gets to, so it goes up 45, and then when 90, 290 to 180, sine 180 is 0, so it goes back down to 0. Then another 45, it must go down to minus 1. And then another 45, it goes back up to 1. So there's our curve then. Because I've got a digital pen, I'm going to draw it with dashed lines. So it's going to come down, turn here, minimum, go up, turn here, and then go back down. And here's the curve here, sketched. Okay, B. Now solve 3 sine 2x equals 1. Well, if you looked on the curve, here's the value 1. So you should see a solution here and here. That's what we're looking for, aren't we? So let's have a go at this then. So part B. So here, sine 2x. Move the 3 from times to divide. So draw a circle. And sine 2x equals a third. X goes from 0 to 180, so 2x, double everything, goes from 0 to 360 degrees. So we're looking for solutions between 0 and 360. Okay, so sine is positive here and here. So let's draw 2 horizontal lines. Mark off the alpha, the associated acute angle, and simply write sine alpha equals 1/3. Drop the negative if there is one to drop. So that tells us what alpha is then. Shift sine 1/3. So we need to be in degrees modes. Number 3. So we're in degrees mode. So shift sine then of 1/3. 19.47. We're doing to 1 dp, so let's just keep it accurate. 19.47. 471, wasn't it? So that's what alpha is here and here. So our solution then, 2x is equal to, well, the first solution will be around to here, 19.471. And then the next solution will be around to here, won't it? So it's around to 180 back to 19.471, which is 160, sorry. 160.528. Okay, and that's it. That's our solutions in our range, 0 to 360. So now we can work out what x is. So divide by 2 on both, so divide this by 2 then. 9.74. And the other one? So I'm going to times by 2 again. And I'm going to take away that from 180. So minus 180. I know it's negative and I got to do the positive part of this here. So if we just do minus the answer, we'll get the 160. Divide that by 2. what do we get? 80.26. But we're doing it to 1 dp, so it's 9.7 and 80.3, isn't it? And that's to 1 decimal place. And we can check it in the calculator if we need to check that that's the case. So what have we got? We got this one. So that's the answer then. So it's 3 times sine of 2 times the answer. We should come out with roughly 1. Yeah. So that looks fine. We've checked one of them.